Alright, thank you so much. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So as you can see on the board, those are the questions that we are going to solve for today. So these questions are coming from ECZ paper 2022 internal exam. Alright, so let's get started with question 1. Then we'll proceed up to question 3. Alright, so these are just some of the questions that you guys requested in my class to say they were a bit hard for you. I'm going to help you. So if you have some more questions, make sure subscribe to my YouTube channel below, and then you can ask any question in the comment. Make sure to like my videos and share them. Thank you so much. This is your teacher, Misheck Botha. Let's get started. So the first question we have is given that the determinant of matrix Q is that, this is matrix Q is equal to this one, that is 2b minus 1 for negative 3b minus 5. So the determinant of this matrix is 15. We need to find the value of b. So what strategy do we use here? So we have our solution, this part. So let's get started. The value of b, that is number 1 for question 1, right? That's for question 1, number 1 question. Our matrix is Q given by 2b minus 1. We have 4, negative 3b, we have negative 5. Now we know that the determinant of the matrix, in this case, determinant of Q is given by AB minus BC. That is, if we assume this term to be A, alright, to be A, B, C, and D, right? So we need to have the product of A and D, then we subtract the product of negative 3b and 4, which is CB. So let's do that. Now remember, the determinant of this matrix is given to be 15. Don't forget that. So we are going to substitute the determinant of this matrix. Now our AD is the product of 2b minus 1, right? Negative 5. We have to subtract the minor diagonal, which is negative 3b times 4, right? So that's what we have. Now remember, the determinant of this matrix is given to be 15. So we substitute 15 right there. So we are going to have 15. You multiply 2b multiplied by negative 5, that will give you negative 10b. Negative 1 multiplied by negative 5, that will give you positive 5. When you count this part, negative 3b times 4, that will give you negative 12. Now negative 12 times negative 1, that will give you, okay, that will give you positive 12b, right? So when you look at the like terms there, you're going to have 5. When you multiply both sides of this expression, right, with the additive inverse of positive 5, we are going to have negative 5 is equal to, here we are going to get 2b, right? This will give you 10 is equal to 2b. You divide both sides by 2, and you are going to get your b is equal to 5. Right? Great. Let's go to question 2. So in 2, so we have found the value of b. So what this simply means is, so we can say therefore, our matrix Q has a determinant of, so where we have 2, we multiply b is 5. So when you substitute b by 5, you are going to have, that will be 10 minus 1, right? So you have 2 times 5, this 5, which will give you 10. Then 10 minus 1, that will give you 9. Right? Right. Then here we have 4. Here we have negative 3. When you substitute where there is b by 5, you have negative 15. Right? Good. And we have negative 5. So this is our matrix Q. Now, we need to find the inverse of matrix Q. This simply means we need Q inverse, right? Now, to find Q inverse, first of all, we know that the inverse of Q can be found by having 1 over the determinant of matrix Q, right? Multiplied by the adjoint matrix of matrix Q, isn't it? So, determinant we have, it's 15, right? So we can substitute. So we have 1 over 15. Maybe you're asking, you've forgotten, where have we gotten 15 as our determinant? We've been given. Alright, we multiply by the adjoint matrix of Q. So we can make adjoint matrix of Q from our matrix Q. So the adjoint matrix of Q, you swap the major diagonal. So we have negative 5 and 9. Then your alright, let me just check. Alright, that's positive. Then your minor diagonal will multiply by a negative number. So we multiply by negative 1 in short. So you multiply negative 15 by negative 1, you are going to get positive 15. Here you are going to get negative 4. So this is your adjoint matrix. So remember, you swap the major diagonals, then you multiply the minor diagonal by negative 1. Alright? So we substitute our adjoint matrix there, and this will give us negative 5, negative 4, we have 15, we have 9. You can leave it here just as 1 over 15. You open bracket, you have negative 5, negative 4, right? You have 15, you have 9. Good. So that is the inverse of matrix Q. Alright, thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube videos. Remember to subscribe down below and share the videos. Thank you. Next video. In the next video, we are going to solve question 2 and question 3. So just